Welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Echo Mini Combo TENS and MS. It comes with a complete accessories, wires, pads, set of strap and pen electrode. Before starting the demo, please subscribe and like the video. Let's start the demo now. Plug the machine in the main cord. Set the parameters, plain and interrupted mode. Plain is for continuous and INT is for interrupted mode. This is TENS, galvanic, Faraday. We'll start with the TENS. In TENS you can set the frequency as per your requirement. Then increase the intensity of channel 1. Increase the intensity channel 2. You can set the intensity as per your requirement. Before using the pads on the body, please use gel or any type of pain relieving gel on the pads. You can also switch it to interrupted mode. Galvanic and Faraday. The pen electrode is used in galvanic and Faraday mode for muscle stimulator for smaller parts like fingers, face, etc. You can also buy this product online at medicalbazaar.com. The link will be given in the description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.